Hello everyone, this is Chris with StickerFab. Hopefully this will be a quick video. I feel like StickerFab has always been trying to give our customers options, and when it comes to dash mats, we always knew that this was kind of an issue with the Bronco. I have a Badlands, and I don't know what the sun does to it, but it gets really sticky up there, so I don't know if the heat's affecting it or what. I don't have this with the Bronco Raptor as much, as it is a little bit newer, or maybe the materials have changed. Who knows? Today I did notice trim piece is really not installed right on that section, and there's a little warping, so who knows? Might be just quality issues with the Bronco. We've seen that, but we see that in a lot of vehicles as well. I originally had some flat mats in here, and then we offered these kind of deep dish ones that you can put stuff in, and it'll protect it, keep it from sliding around. And now, since we're in Southwest Florida, I thought, well, why don't we actually go with EVA foam pad? Now, the EVA foam pad has adhesive on the backside, and it actually looks really good. I put my phone down on there, and I felt like it definitely doesn't slide as much on that, and it kind of catches all of these edges. But in general, it just looks neater. It looks cleaner. This is the first pad material that we've purchased. So I'll go ahead and install those over there and show you how to do it. Right now it's 65 degrees in North Fort Myers. As usual, we recommend that you do this in 75 to 85 degree weather. That way the adhesive has a better chance of bonding properly. I didn't clean off this area that much when I installed these, and they're sticking really well. So for this installation, you can use isopropyl alcohol to clean this area up even better. But if you are in a humid environment, it takes quite a while for that isopropyl alcohol to dry. You usually think, oh, it'll only take a few seconds with the sun blazing. But if it's a little bit more humid, it might take a little bit longer. You don't want to install this while the surface is wet. There's a couple ways to do this. We can look from behind here, or we can stand on our rails and actually look through the window and have our hands on one side and our face on the other side to even it up. You're going to do a dry install. Center this up. Make sure you're covering this groove up and that you have even spacing from top to bottom and left to right. You can move it around, poke your head outside the vehicle and make sure it is even, which I can see it is not right now. I just want it to be like the other side, even spacing all the way around. Okay, pretty happy with the front to back. Now the left to right. Looks pretty good. Then I just push down firmly. Same thing with the larger piece on the inside. Take off the backing. Set it down, look left, look right. Definitely need to come over because I can see that little groove. I think I'm even from left to right, but let me check top to bottom. Maybe a little further out. All right, good enough for government work, as my father used to always say. And there we have it. Now we have it installed. If your vehicle is getting really sunbeat, especially in this area, this is a great product to put on your dash. I'm liking it. Honestly, it looks better than anything we have put on it so far. So if you guys are interested in seeing some other patterns, other designs, other applications, please use info@stickerfab.com to reach out to us. I've already made side sills. I know it'll protect that painted area a little bit better. Whatever you're watching this on, please like it. Please subscribe for updates. If you're on YouTube, hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we're coming out with for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco. Visit our website at stickerfab.com to pick this up right now.